Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Shahadat. In today's video, I'll show you how you can calculate the area of any type of geometric shapes and object using just simple commands. I'll also show you how you can calculate the length of a line or multiple lines together or even any polyline without using the dimension at all. Instead, I'll show you how can you do this with some simple commands. In this channel, we made video tutorial for software, website and also robotics. We are also creating academic lessons. Subscribe and click on the bell icon to stay with us. Now let's jump into the tutorial. These are the shapes I have drawn previously to show you how all of this works. So first of all, I am going to show you how you can calculate the length of an entire object. So suppose this object is very irregular in shape. So if you want to find the total length of this object and you use the dimension, then it will be very lengthy process and also very time consuming and difficult. So instead you can just do it by simply using an LSP file. So in the description box I'll provide the link for downloading this LSP file. So first of all, when you download this LSP file, save it in a folder where you can remember it. So I have saved it in here. So this is the total file, the total length LSP file. So I am going to show you now how you can add this to your AutoCAD. So first of all, go to this manage bar and here you can see this load application tab. So click here and this window will open. From here just select this. So first of all, you may not be directly seeing this. First of all, it will show you some AutoCAD directory. Then you need to go to this PC or your desktop. Then from there you browse to your folder where you kept this LSP file. From there just select this file and click on load. So there may be some warnings such as this, so just ignore them. You can click on always load or load once as you wish. Now close it. So now our LSP file is inserted. Now go to home. Now type a command that is TL. So this command will activate that file or that application. Press enter. Now suppose I want to know the entire perimeter of this object. So just click on this object and press enter. So it's showing you the total length. So here total length is 194 feet and 10 inch. So you can change the unit or show it differently. So suppose I'm going to now if you want to know the entire perimeter of this circle, you can just click on this circle and press enter. It will show you the total length or the perimeter of the circle. So such as you can also find a single straight line, area of single straight line using this also. Just click on the line, press enter, and first of all you need to activate the application first by typing the command TL and pressing enter. Now I'll show you how you can find out the area of any type of object with AutoCAD. So for this I'm going to use a command that is area command, that is AA. You just write AA and press enter. Now your area command is activated. Now just if you suppose I want to find out the area of this rectangle, just click here and from there in this region there and return to your original point and press enter. So now you can see in here it has shown you the area in both unit square inch and square feet. It also shown you the perimeter of your shape. So if it's any type of shape without any polyline, you can use this method to find out the area. Suppose if you want to find out the area of this octagon, so just type command AA, press enter, and just from start this point, then you need to click on every corner. If there is a polyline, this method actually won't work properly, so you can only use this method if there is a straight line or straight corners. Press enter. So now it has shown you the total area in square inch, square feet, and also the perimeter. Okay, by using this AA command, you can also find out the area of a triangle such as this. So you always have to return to your original point and then press enter. Then it will show you the total area and the perimeter. So one other thing that now if you have an irregular object such as this or a circle or an ellipse, then you won't be able to find the area using this AA command only. So to do that, you just have to first of all to activate your area command, pressing AA, then click on this object or just type here O and press enter. Now select the object you want to find the area of. So select this object, and now it has shown you the area of this enclosed by this object. So that is this 2657.4 square inch. So now if you want to do the same to this object, you can also write first of all area AA, press enter, then select the object and click on the object and select the object, then it will show you the area automatically. So you can also find out this area area by the same process. If you use this process, you don't need to just click on every point individually, which takes a lot of time. So just double A, press enter, select the object first, or write O and press enter again and select the object, and here is your total area. So first of all, you can just check it by drawing a polyline. Suppose I am going to draw a polyline, just random structure here, here and here. Now I am going to take an arc and I am going to connect this and this. This is a very this is a very unusual shape. So if you just want to find the area, write double A, press enter and write O, again press enter. Now select the object, and now it has shown you the area and the perimeter of the entire object. So that's all for today. These are very short and technical videos. Hope this helps you, and also practice a lot to become fluent in AutoCAD. And also see you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates about our new tutorials. And if you have any thoughts and opinions about our videos and tutorials, please let us know in the comment section and we will try to respond as soon as possible.